Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Aiza's Taste Buds. Today I am sharing a very simple and easy recipe of Mysore masala dosa. So let's see how to prepare this. Let's begin with dosa batter. For this I have washed and soaked half cup of urad dal, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 cups of raw rice and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. At least soak these ingredients in water for 5 hours and then we will grind it to a smooth paste. First we will grind chana dal, urad dal and methi seeds. Make a fine paste of these ingredients by adding little water. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of cold water and grind it to a smooth paste. After grinding, transfer this to any vessel and we will grind rice in the same jar. Drain out all the water from rice and grind this to a smooth paste by adding half cup of puffed rice. This is half cup of puffed rice. Rinse this in water and add this to rice and grind it to a smooth paste. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water and grind this to a smooth paste. After grinding, mix this along with the dal batter which we ground before. Now start mixing this batter for 5 to 7 minutes with your hands. After mixing, cover this with a lid and keep this in a warm place and let it ferment for 8 to 10 hours. Let's begin with the red chutney. For this, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. To this add 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Roast this for a minute and then add 1 small onion, big piece of ginger, 1 garlic. Fry this on a medium flame for 2 minutes and then add Kashmiri red chilli. Fry this for a minute and let it cool down and grind this to a smooth paste by adding teaspoon of salt. To prepare bhaji, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, add 2 teaspoons of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Fry this till the color changes and then to this add a big piece of ginger and 2 chillies chopped. Fry this for a minute and then add 1 small onion chopped. Add few curry leaves and fry till the onion turns translucent. Add 1 small chopped tomato and cook until it is mushy. When the tomatoes are fully cooked, add salt according to the taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. To this I am adding 2 boiled and smashed potatoes. Add this to the mixture and mix well. Add few coriander leaves and your bhaji will be ready. This is the batter after 10 hours. You can see it is fermented well. Mix this properly and take out the portion how much ever it is required to make dosa and rest you can refrigerate. Here I have taken a small portion of dosa batter. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Spread 1 ladle of dosa batter on a medium hot tawa and let this cook for 1 minute. Drizzle some oil or butter on top and spread 1 tablespoon of red chutney. Spread some bhaji on top and let this cook on both sides until it is crisp. Drizzle some oil on top and fold this to half and cook on both sides. Our tasty Mysore masala dosa is ready here. Serve this with any chutney of your choice. If you like this recipe, please press the like button and share with your family and friends. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please press the red subscriber button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another recipe. Until then, take care.